Hey folks, welcome back to Off the Trails Outdoors. I'm Ed, and today we're tackling a job that's been on my list for a while, leveling out my 40-foot shipping container. This thing weighs a lot, and if it's not sitting right, you're just asking for problems down the line, especially if you're planning to use it for storage, a workshop, or in my case, part of a future lumber kiln setup. I've had this container sitting here for a few months, but I finally have the time and the weather to do it right. So in this video, I'll walk you through how I'm going to level it out using some basic tools. Okay, how I plan on raising up this container. So I think this is called a shipping container lug jack. So you insert this in the bottom of the container in that oval shaped hole, and then you put a heavy duty jack underneath it, and you should be able to jack this up. This container weighs, I'm going to say, approximately 8,000 pounds. So we're going to see how easy it is. And why I'm raising this up is it's kind of low in this bottom right hand corner. I want to get it up at least 2 to 3 inches up. So whenever I have a lot of washout or a lot of rain from my hill, it won't go into that container. And I don't want to rust out that bottom. I want to make sure it's resting on a cement cinder block. So we're going to give this a go and see if it lifts up at all. So these will be the tools I'll be using to level out my shipping container. So it's a 40-foot container. It's around 8,000 to 8,500 pounds. Okay, jack's in place. Okay, here we go. And it's coming up. Okay, got that block underneath there. We're going to set her down. Okay. All right. See if we can get this going up in the right direction. Now we're going to go up. Okay, that jack sunk pretty good, so I'm trying to put this plate underneath to see if I can get it to raise a little bit higher. It's been very wet here, so it's very hard to jack anything up. Oh! Ah!
That effing hurt.
So when I was jacking up this side, it actually shifted the container towards my row, which that's what I needed it to do, but it ended up sliding off of this block. That's why I put 2 blocks here. I'll jack this up and then be able to put on a block here, and that should be good to go. So I'm going to lower this slowly. Let's check our level. Very nice, very nice. Okay, I was able to take a chain with my truck and pull it over where it needs to be. So now I'm just gonna jack it up right in place, center some blocks on those ends, and I probably put one in the middle just to help out so the middle doesn't sag. And I'll call it quits for the project. Okay, that's good. That's it for today's project. Leveling a 40-foot shipping container isn't the most glamorous job. It's one of those fundamental things that sets you up for success. Whether you're turning yours into a workshop, a storage unit, or a kiln like I plan to, this is where it starts. If you like this kind of content, hands-on, real-world projects, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already done so, and drop a comment if you've tackled a project like this yourself. I'd love to hear how you did it. Thanks for watching Off the Trails Outdoors. Catch you on the next one. And as always, stay safe, stay steady, and keep getting after it.